What is MTTR? Mean time to repair, in short form, is MTTR. MTTR, as the name indicates, the average time taken to repair an equipment until the equipment is restored to its complete functionality. MTTR measures how fast a facility can respond to unplanned failures and repair. MTTR refers to the amount of time required to repair a system and restore it to full functionality. MTTR is equal to total maintenance time divided by number of repairs. For example, if an equipment in a facility has undergone maintenance 2 times in a month and the total time inclusive of both the maintenance is 1 hour, then the MTTR is equal to 1 hour divided by 2 is equal to 30 minutes. MTTR helps in measuring the duration of the repairs and taking actions for a speedy recovery process. MTTR helps facilities to identify why maintenance processes may be taking longer time than is ideal and make more accurate decisions to fix the issues. Taking too long for the equipment to be made functional impacts the facilities to a great extent. It also may mean that there is too much time between discovery and reporting of the failure. Hence, the facility maintenance managers can come up with strong decisions on how efficiently the team will be able to respond to issues or failure threats. Performing MTTR helps in identifying and helps in taking decisions on equipment purchases, maintenance schedules, the number of equipment to have in hand, etc. For example, when the assets become older, it tends to take more time in repair, and once it's repaired, the initial performance of the equipment may not be restored. Evaluating the MTTR, the facilities will be able to make appropriate decisions whether to change the equipment or its components rather than repairing the same frequently. This helps the facilities to eliminate the inefficiencies that result in the performance slowdown of an equipment in the facility. It helps in decision making like whether to repair or replace the assets and helps in predicting the lifespan of the new systems. The mean time to repair, also called as mean time to recovery, which is almost similar to mean time to repair, as it represents the time from system failure until the point at which the equipment returns to operation. Here it is captures failure notifications time and the time to diagnose the issue. Mean time to respond is the time taken by a facility to neutralize an identified threat from the moment it is notified and until it is completely fixed. This does not include any time taken from the initial failure to when you are first notified. Mean time between failures. Mean time between failures, as the name indicates, it is the average time between failures of an equipment. This term is used for the system which can be repaired. Mean time between failure does not consider the shutdowns on scheduled maintenance like preventive maintenance. It captures unplanned failures, repairs, or that is essential to take the unit out of operation before it can be repaired.